Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Okay, are you all happy? Had your breakfast? Yes, hope you all doing well, right? Last class, what we have seen? Are you all remember that? Yes. Today we are going to see the English lesson from Unit 1. Okay. In last class, you all see the lesson Look and Say and the Big Offer, Bender the Blender poem. Yes, right. You have to practice well those lessons. Today we are going to see the Let Us Know. Let us see how the clown counts the things. Let us see how the clown counts the things. Here he had three balls, right? One, two, and three. Here, three balls. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3. Three balls and balloons 1 and 2, right? Two balloons. Then, what is it? Salt. We cannot count the salt, okay? It is the countable things. It is not countable, okay? Uncountable things. Salt, like rice, flour, oil, water, something, right? We have not countable. Then he is confused. He is confused. He cannot count the last one. He cannot count the last one. Do you think you can count salt? Do you think you can count salt? No, we can't count, right? Then there are some things that we can count, like, here see, they give 5 pictures. We have to count. It is the countable things, right? We have to count it. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 balls, right? 4 balls. And then see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencils. 10 pencils. Then 2 babies. 1 and 2. 2 babies. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 chairs. 3 chairs. And house. 1, 2, 3. 3 houses. When we ask about things that we can count, we ask how many. Here we have to count, right? We can count the things. We have to ask question, how many things is there, like that. Okay, here 4 balls is there and 10 pencils is there and 2 babies and 3 chairs and 3 houses. Next, there are some things we cannot count, like here they give some pictures to for count, but it cannot be counted, right? It cannot be counted, like sugar. Sugar we can't count, and metal also we can't count, and water also we can't count, and rice and oil we can't definitely count these things, right? When we ask about things that we cannot count, we ask how much. Here we can count the things. We have to ask question, how many things, how many pencils, how many balls, how many babies, how many chairs is there, like that. Here we have to ask question, how much, like here sugar, how much sugar is there? We have to answer like 1 kilogram, like that. Not particularly 1 sugar, 2 sugar. We have to not countable, right? That. Then we have to use through the questions how many, like it is countable things. For ask question how many, uncountable things we have to use how much for ask question. Then look at the things below and stick if you can count and cross if you cannot count. Students, see, if we count, we have to put a tick mark. If we cannot count, we have to cross mark. Okay. Sand. Here, see, they give 9 pictures and its name. We have to find it is countable or uncountable. So, if it is countable, we have to put a tick mark, and if not countable, we have to cross mark. Here, sand. Sand is uncountable, right? So we have to put a cross mark. Then bread. Bread is countable. So we have to put a tick mark. And salt. Already we see that, right? Salt is uncountable. So we have to put a cross mark. And bicycle. Bicycle we have to count, right? We can count. So we have to put a tick mark. And butter. No. Butter is uncountable thing, so we have to put a cross mark. And rice is also uncountable, so we have to put a cross mark. Then bat is countable, right? So we have to put a tick mark. Then tree also countable, so it is, we have to put a tick mark. And then meat, no, it is not countable, so we have to cross mark. Then read the words and tick the correct box. Here they give can count, cannot count. Here they give 5 names. We have to read and find the which one is can count and cannot count. We have to find, let's find, right? Juice like a water, right? Juice like a water. Here water cannot count, so juice cannot count, so we have to tick here. And then sugar also we cannot count. And water also we cannot count. Pen, yes, we can count. Ball, and also we can count. Juice, sugar, water, we cannot count that. And then pen, ball, we can count that. Okay. Students, are you all understood what I am saying? If pen and ball, how many pen are you having? Like that, right? Then how much water you bring it? Like that. Okay. Then you know the countable and uncountable things. You have to know and understood that. Then let us read. Here they give story for us. It is so meaningful and we have to know about that. Okay. Let me read. You have to listen first and you have to read it in your own. Okay. The 2 parts. The title of the story is The 2 Parts. Students, you have to listen carefully. Okay. There are 2 parts, mud and brass. Here there are 2 parts. One is mud, one is brass. This is the mud part. It made by sand, right? So it is brass. It made by brass. This is the mud part. This is the brass part. There are 2 parts like mud and brass. Mud and brass go to the river to play. They are go to the river to play. Okay. Then brass said, I will swim in the river, but you cannot. Brass said to the mud, I will swim, but you cannot swim. Mud said, why? Mud said, why? Brass said, if you hit on a rock, you will break. If the mud made by the sand soil, right? So it is like broken things. So if you hit on a rock, you will be break. You will be break. Mud said, let me try. Mud said, let me try. Mud and Brass start to swim in the river. Mud and Brass start to swim in the river, right? Then Brass said, let us swim deeper. Brass said, let us swim deeper, in depth river, okay? Mud said, no, let us go back to the river bank. Mud said, no, let us go back to the river bank. Like that, river bank means here. This place is called as here river bank. Then Mud went back to the river bank. Mud, here, see this picture. Mud went back to the river bank, but Brass went on. See, Brass went inside the river, right? Soon the river was deep. Soon the river was deep, and Brass was not able to swim. Brass was not able to swim. Help, help, said Brass. Brass said, help me, like that, okay? Then Mud used a stick from the river bank to help. Here, see this picture. Mud used the stick and saved the Brass pot, right? After that, Mud and Brass do not play in the river. After that, Mud and Brass do not play in the river. Then only play the river. They only play by the river. They only play by the river. Yes. Students, are you all understood the story? The two parts is here. They play with the river. That time Brass said to Mud, you cannot swim. Suddenly Mud asked, why I cannot swim? To the Brass. Brass replied to Mud, if you hit on a rock, you will break. If you hit on a rock, you will break. It's okay, let me try, said by Mud, right? Then both are on the river, right? Then Brass said, let us swim deeper. Brass said, let us swim deeper. But Mud said, no, let us go back to the river bank. Then Mud went to go back the river bank, right? Then Brass went on. Brass was not able to swim. Brass said, help me, like that. Then Mud used a stick. Then Mud used a stick and saved the Brass, right? Then after that, Mud and Brass do not play in the river. They only play by the river, okay? Yes, students, you have to read this passage, okay? It is your reading. It is expand your reading skills. So you have to read the passage and enjoying the story, okay? Then let us think and do. They give 3 pictures. We have to find the correct name of the picture. Circle the correct word here. What is this picture? It is the river, right? A river, not a sea. This is a river. Then what it is? Tape or stick? It is stick. So we have to circle the stick. Then what it is? It is pot or top? It is pot. Very good. It is pot. See? River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. Then pot. P-O-T. Pot. And then there are 2 parts. Yeah, here see, tick S or no. There are here 2 parts is there, right? So we have to tick S. There are two parts. Yes. They play in a park? No. They play in a river, right? They play in a river. So, no. They play in a park? No. The mud pot helps the brass pot? Yes. Here see, the mud helps to the brass, right? So, this statement is correct. So, we have to take put mark in put. Yes, the mud pot helps the brass pot. Next, arrange the story in the correct order using numbers from 1 to 3. Here see, here mud pot helps to the brass pot. Mud pot and brass pot on the river bank and deeper. Brass pot deep on the river, right? So, which one is first? First, mud and brass pot on the river bank is the first picture, and then second one is, here see, first one and second one and third one, right? Second one is brass not able to swim, right? So it is the second picture 2, and finally the mud pot save the brass pot, right? It is the final picture 3. 1, 2, 3. And let us make. Students, are you all happy to drawing? As first, take your color pencil box. You have to pick a brown color, red color and black color. Sorry, miss don't have a color pencil. So you have to take your color pencils. Here, let us make. Color the pot brown. Here pot is there, no? Pot. It is, we have to color it the color brown. Brown color. We have to color the brown color. Like that you have to color the pot in your book. Okay. You have to color and take picture. Send me through the WhatsApp. Okay students. This is the pot. We have to make a color with brown color. You have to use the brown color. Okay. Then color the mixie red. Here you have to color the mixie red. It is the mixie, right? M-I-X-I-E, mixie red color. You have to color red color. You have to color the mixie by red color. Then color the pan black. This is the pan, right? You have to color the pan black color. Yes. Okay, you have to use brown color for the pot, red color for the mixie and black color for the pan. You have to do it in your book and take a picture, send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, it is the one of homework for you activity. Okay, then big picture. See the pictures. What do you all see in these pictures? Shirt on the hanger, clock on the wall. What is the time? Time is 4 o'clock, right? Time is 4 o'clock. Yes. Then the television is there. Then here see fish tank, flower vase, sofa and pillow, cupboard, table. Here one small table, chair, girl, boy, bat, ball, right? You all see in this picture so many things, right? Then here they give 10 questions related to the picture. So we have to find the answer from this picture. Let us find out. Yes. First, what is in the girl's hand? See, here the girl hand holding the key. So, what is in the girl's hand? A key is in the girl's hand. One is done for you, okay? A key. A key is in the girl's hand. A key is in the girl's hand. Then what is in the boy's hand? See, what is it? It is bat, right? So a bat. A bat. B-A-T, bat is in the boy's hand. B-O-Y-S, boy's hand. Then what is on the wall? What is on the wall? See, a clock, right? A clock is on the wall. See, you have to write it in your book, okay? What is on the wall? A clock is on the wall. Yeah, clock is on the wall. Then what is under the table? See, a ball. A ball is under the table. A ball is under the table. Yes. What is in the tank? What is in the tank? See, what is it? It is a fish. A fish is in the tank, right? What is in the tank? In the tank, what is it? A fish. A fish is in the tank. Is in the tank. Then what is on the sofa? What is on the sofa? See, what is on the sofa? Pillow, right? Yes, a pillow is on the pillow is on the sofa. Then what is on the cupboard? What is on the cupboard? See, here cupboard, right? What is on the cupboard? Flower vase is on the cupboard, right? A flower vase on the cupboard. On the cupboard. Yes. What is on the hanger? See, it is the hanger. What is on the hanger? A shirt, right? A shirt on the hanger. Hanger. The. A shirt on the hanger. What is the color of the wall? See, the yellow color. Yes, yellow is the color of the wall. Yellow is the color of the wall. Then what is the time by the wall clock? Here, see, the time is 4 o'clock, right? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock is the time by the wall clock. By the wall clock. Let me read the question with answers. As you have to write it in your books, okay, students? What is in the girl's hand? A key is in the girl's hand. What is in the boy's hand? A bat is in the boy's hand. What is on the wall? A clock is on the wall. What is under the table? A ball is under the table. What is in the tank? A fish is in the tank. What is on the sofa? A pillow is on the sofa. What is on the cupboard? A flower vase on the cupboard. What is on the hanger? A shirt on the hanger. What is the color of the wall? Yellow is the color of the wall. What is the time by the wall clock? 4 o'clock is the time by the wall clock. Yes. Then I can do. Write the names of the utensils. Write the name of the utensils. Here they give 3 words: knife, bowl, mixer. Here what is it? It is mixer, it is knife, it is bowl. So mixer 1, then knife 2, and bowl 3. Yes, we have to write it in under the pictures. First one is mixture. M-I-X-E-R, mixture. Then knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. And bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. Mixture, knife, bowl. Yes. Okay, students, today just stop it here and then stop the class here. You have to colored brown, red and black. Okay, use these colors and you have to write the answer in your book. You have to read the passage and you have to understood what things we can count, what things we cannot count. Okay, you have to understood. Okay, students, keep safe at your home, and those who are not paid your fees, kindly you have to pay your fees and bring your notebooks. Okay, students, thank you.